Hello everyone, lovely to be in your company again. Welcome to Stove Tuesday. I made a video a couple of weeks ago and it was about stove, and somebody suggested to me, well, why don't you just make a stove video every Tuesday? So I'm going to give it a go. So I'd just like to say thanks Matt for the idea. So I'm going to try and release a stove video every single Tuesday until either I'll run out of stove ideas or I simply don't have the time. So I'll do my best every Tuesday, stove video. Give you all something to look forward to. You can rush home from work and people will say, where are you going? Where are you going? You're going home early. I'm going home, it's Stove Tuesday. And they go, what the If you're watching this on a Wednesday, by the way, where were you? Today we're going to try and repair a couple of stoves. Now this one here is my Trangia, which I've had for ages and ages and ages. He's developed a split just along there. It's difficult to see. I'll put a picture up, I've taken some photos and you'll get it. What happens is when I light him, he goes to bloom up. And when it blooms, not only does it come out of here, but it get flame coming out of here, and it's pretty much uncontrollable. So I could just put this in recycling, but I was going to try and see if I can solder him up and get him working again. If it doesn't, I've lost nothing, you know, apart from a bit of time. So what I'll do in a minute, I'll go over him with some wire wool just to clean him up, take him outside, light him up to get this brass nice and hot. And then when he goes out, what I'm going to do is get the soldering iron on him and see if we can repair him and get him functioning again. The other one I'm going to try and fix today is this one. This is a Trail Designs stove. Usually goes in a cauldron cone. Doesn't put out a lot of heat, but it's very efficient. It's a little bit of fun. Oh, it doesn't like the wind either, by the way. It just blows out for a pastime. So you really need to keep this one covered with a windshield. The issue I got with this one is, well, he's falling apart. He's got... It was held together with some glue or some substance. So how can we fix something like this? Well, I thought I'd use some of this blue silicone gasket and basically just glue him back together with that. And hopefully I'll get him functioning again. Now, when you got bits of kit and they fall apart, my way of thinking is spent a lot of money on stuff like this, so it's much better to go out and try and see if you can fix it and get more life out of it and get your money's worth, rather than just binning it and getting something new. I don't seem to have a nozzle for this. So it could get a bit messy. Looks like the battery's about to go with me overhead light, so we'll keep going until it does. Let's just whack a little bit on there. Not quite sure how much we're going to need, to be honest. Shouldn't be a lot. Try not to get it all over my fingers. There we are. We'll just place him on like so. Without breaking him. And then what I'm going to do is put some around the inside edge. Just try and get him to sit on there if I can. This gasket weld is actually good stuff. My word, This is not the tidiest anyone's ever seen. There we are. Do you think I got enough on there? Let's squish them together. There. Press him in. We're in. Oh, don't press too hard. I can't broke him now. Oh, for goodness sake. I told you these were delicate. I think we're good. I think we're good. All right, let's do it. I'm making too much of a mess. I'll try not to press so hard this time. There, we're good. We're in. So what we're going to do now is just tidy up that edge. There we go. It's not the tidiest, but if he sticks and we can utilise it once more, then all well and good. Onto the Trangia. There's our bit of split there. You can clearly see from that where he's split all the way around there. And he's also split along there as well.